What I ask of you is this. Become the person you need at your most vulnerable time in life. Become the man, woman, spirit, soul needed when that time was coming up in your life. And be that so that you draw nigh unto those who could be part of your beloved community. Now, what exactly is a community? It is a collection of people. It is a collection of ideas. It is a collection of interests, right? It is a collection. It is a mindset. No one is more important than the other. Interesting. Does that not sound like a beloved community? No one person is more important than the other. And it also says, as one suffers, we all suffer. The primary point is that we are all in this together. We are all one. We are one body in Christ, and no one person is better or any greater than the other. Try to become what you need and what the world needs. We talk about one community, as we talk about be loved, love, be loved, live love. Is that when enough of that energy is rolling around the state, it's rolling around the country, it's rolling around the world, and it's becoming this giant ball of energy of love and goodness, you got a chance in this thing. And so I implore you to go out and be that change. Be the love. Become the community that our world needs right now and in the future. Thank you very much.